In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy hosting from Hostinger, the best web hosting for 2024. Let's dive right into it and make this process as easy and straightforward as possible for you. To start things off, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by simply typing in hostinger.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you will immediately notice how welcoming and user-friendly the interface is, which is one of the reasons Hostinger is so popular among users looking to bring their ideas online with a website. Upon arriving at Hostinger's homepage, your next move is to look for the Choose Plan button. This is usually prominently displayed to help you navigate smoothly towards selecting a hosting plan that fits your needs. By clicking on Choose Plan, you'll be taken to a page that provides all services available to you, each tailored to different levels of technical needs and budget. Once you're here, take a moment to compare the different hosting plans. Hostinger offers a variety of options from single shared hosting for small beginnings to more advanced plans, including cloud hosting for those who require more robust capabilities. Each plan comes with its own set of features and pricing, so pay close attention to the details provided. Consider factors like the number of websites, storage space, bandwidth, and additional perks such as a free domain or SSL to ensure you pick the plan most suitable for your project. After deciding which hosting plan fits your requirements, the next thing is to click on the Select button associated with your chosen plan. You'll then be directed to a new window where you can choose the length of your plan. Hostinger often offers significant discounts for longer term commitments, which can be a great strategy if you're looking to save money over time. Now, you'll need to create an account or login if you've purchased from Hostinger before. To create an account, you simply provide your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can join using an existing account from platforms like Google or Facebook, which can save a bit of time. With the account set up, the next step is to enter your payment details. Hostinger supports a range of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and various cryptocurrencies, which is perfect for anyone preferring more alternative payment solutions. Once your payment is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. This email includes instructions and details on how to set up your new hosting account. That's it. You're all set to start building your website. Remember, Hostinger's customer support is always just a click away if you ever need any help. Thanks for joining me and happy hosting.